the
So I guess this metal gate does serve a purpose
boat.
after all.
This is the boat launch.
Still. I guess it does serve
And
a
it's
purpose.
cold. It's cold and breezy out here.
I don't care. I
Ooh.
love it.
Take a shot of the bio. We're on the full side of town. Ooh, it's cold over here, about a colder, about a body. Christopher, get off that dock.
Very windy there too.
And that, the closer to the water, the more cold it is now. Sure to get rougher. That's my bayou next to me.
On the outside.
And I'm seriously not that close, that far from the bayou.
Yeah, the